Well, we need a little crowd participation. We already just practiced a little bit. But when I point at you, I want you to yell A like you're from Canada. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. We're gonna rehearse. We're gonna rehearse. You ready?
A!
Alright, one more time.
A!
Alright, however, right now at Parcel 5, Tito Puente is playing. And they all think they're at the better show, but I want you to make them wonder if they chose poorly. So let's do that one more time, and I want you to wake them up. Ready? Here we go. Alright, this is hurricane season.
I think this is a better show myself.
On that trumpet, Phil DiPiazza on that trombone. Get it for Brian Barr on the guitar.